we explain how to use the wave feature once again. So if you have something like this, a vertical wall and the base, and you want to apply the wave in between, right? So you are just going to draw a line, selecting this plane, the y-x plane. So on the y-x plane as parallel to this face, I'm going to draw the line to touch this face and this base. It's not compulsory to touch, but just draw a line in between to simulate that effect as if we are drawing the wave. So let's create a plane about this entire, or you can just select if your plane is not at the center, my y-x or xy. If yours is not at the center, just like this, you continue with the create a plane that will be at the center by selecting the two ends. Select the first end here, then consider end here, and select this end. So it's a create a plane for you, my center. So now select this plane and draw a line. Now I'll be doing to the first method now. I'll just draw a line. I'll draw a line about the axis, like 45 degrees to the arm to the base, and I'll just apply the wave command. So I'm not going to make my line touch the wall and the base. Just watch how it's drawn now. So I'll just draw my wave like this. Remember your wave is 45 degrees. So you can ensure that. Okay. So I have my line here. So finish the sketch. I just do this line, this piece. Right? Then comes to the there. Then look at the wave. Black weight. So now for profile, I'm selecting this line. Make sure you have only one line. If you have more than one line, you're not very good. Now look at this arrow. The arrow is facing upright. I want the direction. The arrow is facing upright. I want the direction to face down. So that to create a wave or face down like this to close this gap here. Alright. Then I want my ring to be parallel to the sketch plane. So I'm selecting parallel to the sketch plane. Right, so select this. Okay. Can you see? It brought the arrow down automatically. So it was there before the direction came there. That's selecting this. And you have to select this. Out of these two options, you must select the one that will go in the direction of close the gap. So I want this gap to be closed from this line down here. I want the gap to be closed. And this, when you see these two options, this one means I don't want the gap to be closed. But to not close the gap, it's just like a pillar. But this one means I want the gap just to be closed. So I'm selecting this to close the gap there. And this means I want my extrusion, I want my ring to face one direction. This one means I want my ring to face the other direction. Why this option means I want my ring to be symmetric. So I'll select this. That's why we have this. So I'll give another example now. So let me offset this thing. Offset this thing. So let's see. So I'm creating so that would be work. So I'm selecting so this. I'm going to delete it. And the pencil. Or I can just offer visibility. Right click. Right click and visibility. Okay, now on this plane, let me select this plane. Also give another distance. became uniform. And also the question said, let me check the distance of 100 to the this is 6 times. So if the question says 6x 45, right? 6x 45 means my rib length, my rib length and height has to be 6. The length and height are going to be 6. By division is going to be the rib. So if you have 6 by 6, if you have 6x 45, that means you have a rib of 6 and 6 and 45 degrees. So some people call this format 6x 6 or 6x 45 degrees. So we can say I want to draw a line pushing this from here to here. So I can dimension my 6. I can't select it why the edges are not projected. So I have to project the edges. So that I can select it. So I'll just click on project distribution. I'll click on this edge. I'll click on this edge as well. So that I can work with those edges. And project this one too. Project geometry. I think that's projected already. Yeah. Okay, so I projected this edge and this edge now. So now I want to draw a line. I want to draw my rib now. Let me just draw an arbitrary rib first. Then I'll come back to the dimension. Now the question says 6x 45. That means from this point to this base here is 6. And from this point to this wall. So it's the same number of constraint in this case. This equation, okay, I have a constraint here. So I'm changing that. I like dimension again. So about constraining, the constraint is cosine this gives you a constraint. So let's check for that thing against it. I think I did not select this point. Okay. The reason why it was taken over constraint, I did not select the exact point where this line meets with this horizontal surface. I was selecting a different point. Okay. So the dimension from here to here is 6. And from here to here is 6 as well. Now, the dimension of this line has to be inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. Can you see? 45 degrees. So it's telling me now over constraint this case because it is already 45 degrees. Because I already dimension from here to here as 6 and from here to this wall as 6. So that will give us 5 degrees. So if the question says 2 times 45, that means 2 by 2 by 45. 6x 45 is 6 and 6. And this line is 45 degrees. Okay. So in this case now I'm going to use this line as my rib. Now if I want to place my rib like this, I will experience an error. Why is it going to be an error? Because I have more than one line. If you want to create a rib, I must not have more than one line in that case. So I have line 1, line 2, and line 3. Your rib is a very dangerous issue. Because if it has more than one line there, right, it will confuse on which one to choose. It cannot choose more than one. That's what stick to just one. You cannot create a rib with this line. It will not work. So give an error. You cannot create a rib with this line. So when your rib command is detecting so many lines in that case, more than one line, it will give you an error. So you have to delete every other line. Delete this line. Delete this line. So now I'm left to choose this line, right? So finish case. So let's say now. So the same things that we did the last time. Select this as a profile. Look at select parallel to the sketch plane. Then select this arrow in direction coming down. And see it. Then this is to specify the thickness. What am I going to be 2 meters to how we do this? So I see it's 2 meters about the axis. Okay, so that's the now there's a question that will come from this rate to start from this end here. So let me go and write it down here. If all my rate starts from this end here, what do I do? I come to this surface. This surface here. Create a sketch. So whatever dimension the rate is, I will draw it. I will draw the rate. So let's say this is the rate, or whatever dimension it is. So this one's 55. So draw your line, finish the sketch. And come here, select rate. Select this line. Select parallel to the sketch. Then okay, I think it's over for the selected. Okay, so actually select your profile. So this profile now has to select text. Click on this, it's gone blue. Now select this option, not this, select parallel to sketch plane. Select this direction, come here, but also fill the gap downwards. Select this correct. Now, the reason why it's not creating now is because this is selected. I selected symmetric. And to create a relief here, my relief is telling me that I cannot create a relief that will come out of this row or come outside there. My relief has to be in between, it has to fall inside this space here. So if I should choose a symmetric, I'll make the extension come outside. It's not correct. So I have to select this direction that will go inwards for my relief to create. Can you see? The direction going inwards will make my relief to create. So that's how you create this relief. So select the direction going inwards and press OK. So can you see the relief that we created? So you can just do this thing today. You need to select here to do this here. Now if I don't want to start stressing myself, I'll just mirror it. Let's mirror this. So features, select this group as a feature, click on it, left click. So about which plane, about the y-x plane here. So when I mirror about the middle plane there, to bring that rip, to mirror the rip to the other side there, as you can see. Let me move this other rip. So now this is what we have now. So I have the rip and I have the rip. Now in this case of this question, look at this question now. Look at this question. I want to draw my rip like I did earlier. Select the y-x plane or the xy plane. Now go through this cylinder or cut through this space. Okay, before I do that, I have to close to this. Let me close the one at the back. So I'm trying to close the one at the back. So I'm just going to stage. I've always wondered about. Now, I want to create my relief. So, like I did earlier, I'll be selecting the XY plane. I'll go through. Oh, this is going to be. So, this is it. So, create mesh. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to draw a line of 45 degrees from this edge here. And now, if I select this edge, I need to project this edge. So, I can work with that edge. Because without projecting it, I'm going to select the vertex. Okay. So, I'll draw a line from here. Now, look at, I can't drop this or any vertex or any edge. So, I have to project the edge at the base tool. So, click on it and project to the machine. So, I've projected that. Now, come here. Okay, now, my line can rest on it. So, now, I have to specify the dimension of this line. So, 45 degrees. Yeah. So, it was 45 degrees. I think that's the next stage. I have to make sure that there is no hole anywhere. Okay. So, this is the only line I need to draw here. Now, what I do? I need to delete every other line that I have in that sketch. This line and this line. Delete them. Otherwise, the remove is not going to be able to create. The remove is not going to create mistake. So, I just do this line. And I want this line to create the remove now. So, click on remove. Click on this line. So, remember, we have to select parallel to sketch. Because I have two lines. You know, it is mean that I have two lines here. I do one line before, then I do another line. So, remember, I'm correct that. As I said, you should not have more than one line in this case. Otherwise, it's not great. So, I have two lines here. I was trying to prove you, so I can do this one line. I'll do it. That was a very good example of what I was saying. I see it's not giving me any error. Okay. So I'm selecting parallel to sketch plane, right? Then this arrow has to come down. Can you see? Then this thickness is specified. So whatever thickness is the pressure inside the chain. So if I read this 10 mm, that's 3 for type 10. If I read this 5 for type 5, this 3 for type 3. So here you go. And symmetric. What is to be one direction of face here? What is to be the other direction of face here? And the reef is very interesting. Look at the reef question is obeying this curvature. If I come to this place, obey the curvature like this. That takes the other direction. It will go along that curvature. But if there is an extrusion, the extrusion will only go straight. Giving gap to leave some gap here is go straight because this part will go and deviate away from the straight line. So as it's deviating, to leave some gap while the extrusion is going to go straight like this. So that's another reason why you should never use extrusion. So your rib is going to handle all that for you. So that's why I don't really know what your issues again.